Who is Kilmar Abrego Garcia, the Maryland man who was deported to El Salvador to the mega prison there? And I dug into the court cases that happened leading up to all of this to get a better understanding of why we are where we are. He supposedly entered the US in 2012 through the southern border in Texas, but then fast forward to 2019, this is really where it all starts. So he was allegedly hanging out in front of the Home Depot with a few other guys. Police spotted them. As the detective walked up, he wrote in the report that two of the guys quickly tossed something under a nearby car, and then they stopped all four individuals and they found a couple of small bottles of weed on the scene. So they took him in. They immediately recognized one of the guys as a known MS-13 gang member. He apparently has a long criminal history. He'd already been found guilty of gang involvement just a few months earlier. So a confidential informant, the police described him as a past proven and reliable source of information, confirmed Kilmar Abrego Garcia is a member of MS-13 as well. Two different immigration courts later accepted that evidence. They also agreed that it was true, and one said that he was connected to a murder case. Regardless, he was denied bond and detained. But then a different immigration judge ruled that he does have a well-founded fear of persecution from a different gang called Barrio 18. And so they basically said, we're not going to send you to El Salvador because you obviously are fearing retaliation from this different gang. Fast forward to March of 2025, and ICE deported him to the El Salvador mega prison anyways. But then they backpedaled and said that it was an administrative error. He's still currently in El Salvador's mega prison. The Supreme Court has ordered the government to send him back, but so far there's no sign of action.